good morning. In the last video, we have completed first 4 problems of geometric progression. Next example 5. Find the 3 numbers in GP whose sum is 31 by 5 and their product is 1. Okay, here we have to find out the 3 numbers which are in GP whose sum is 31 by 5 and the product is 1. Okay, first we have to consider the 3 numbers are in GP. Okay, let the 3 numbers in GP be A by R, R. In case of AP, we are considering A minus D, A plus D. Okay. In case of GP, we have to consider A by R, R. Okay. What is the given data? By given data, whose sum is 31 by 5. Means sum of these 3 numbers A by R plus A plus AR equal to 31 by 5 and product means multiplication of these 3 numbers A by R into AR equal to 1. Okay, R gets cancelled, A into A, that is A cube equal to 1. 1 can be represented as 1 cube. Powers are same, therefore bases are also equal. Therefore A equal to 1. Okay. Now consider this condition. A by R plus A plus AR equal to 31 by 5. We already know the value of A. We have to find out the value of R. Okay. Now R is LCM. Take LCM R. A plus A into R, AR into R, AR square equal to 31 by 5. Substitute the value of A equal to 1. 1 plus 1 into R plus 1 into R square is R square divided by R equal to 31 by 5. Cross multiplication 5 into 1 plus R square equal to 31 R. 5 into 1 5 plus 5R plus 5R square equal to 31 R. 5R square plus 5R, this plus 31 R becomes minus 31 R plus 5 equal to 0. 5R square 5R minus 31R, that is minus 26R plus 5 equal to 0. See, now it is a quadratic equation. We have to find out the roots by using the factorization method. See here 25R square into 5, 25. Okay, 25 ones are 25. See here minus symbol is there, minus. Therefore 5R square minus 25R minus R plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, 5R is common, R minus 5. In these two terms minus 1 is common, R minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now R minus 5 is common. Remaining terms are 5R minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore R minus 5 equal to 0 and 5R minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore R equal to 5. R equal to 5 and R equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Therefore, the 3 numbers are, see here, 2 cases. If A equal to 1 and R equal to 5, then the 3 numbers are See what are the numbers? A by R, A R. A by R means 1 by 5, 1, 5. Okay, if A equal to 1, R equal to 5, then the numbers are 1 by 5, 1, 5. Similarly, if A equal to 1 and R equal to 5, then the three numbers are A by R. Sorry, here R is 1 by 5. 1 by 1 by 5, comma 1, comma 1 by 5. That is 1 by 1 by 5 is 5, comma 1, comma 1 by 5. Okay. Next problem is the three numbers whose sum is 12 are in AP. If 1, 4, 11 are added to them respectively, then the resulting numbers are in GP. Find the numbers. Okay. First we have to consider the numbers in AP. Okay. Whose sum is 12. First we have to consider the three numbers which are in AP. Let the three numbers in AP be A minus D, comma A, comma A plus D. These are the three numbers in AP. What is the given data? Whose sum is 12. Therefore, A minus D plus A plus D equal to 12. Plus D minus D gets cancelled. A plus A. 3A equal to 12. Therefore, A equal to 12 by 3, that is 4. Therefore, A equal to 4. Again, by data, see, if 1, 4, 11 are added to these numbers, then the resulting sequence is in terms of GP. Okay, A minus D. A is 4. 4 minus D plus 1, comma 4 plus 4, 4 plus D plus 11 are in GP. See, numbers are 4 minus D, 4, 4 plus D. 1, 4, 11 are adding respectively. Okay. Now, these numbers are in GP. See, which implies 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus D, comma 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 11 is 15 plus D are in GP. GP means what? The ratio of the term and its preceding term is constant, which means the ratio of 8 and 5 minus D and 15 plus D and 8 is constant. Therefore, 8 by 5 minus D equal to 15 plus D divided by 8. The ratio of first two terms and next two terms is constant. Now we have to find out the value of D. Okay. 8 by 5 minus D equal to 15 plus D by 8. Cross multiplication, 8 into 8, 64 equal to 5 minus D into 15 plus D. 64 equal to 5 into 15, 75 plus 5 into D is 5D minus D into 15 minus 15D plus into minus minus D into D square. Okay. Now, 64 minus 75 minus 5D plus 15D plus D square equal to 0. Shift all these terms to LHS. 64 minus 75, that is minus 11 minus 5D plus 15D, that is 10D plus D square equal to 0. Therefore, D square plus 10D minus 11 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. Find out the value of D by using factorization method. Okay. So here 11 into 1, 11, 11 ones are 11, but the middle term is 10. Take plus minus. Okay, d square 10d can be written as 11d minus d minus 11 equal to 0. In these two terms, d is common, d plus 11 minus 1 common, d plus 11 equal to 0. d plus 11 is common term in these two. Next, d minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, d plus 11 equal to 0 or d minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, d equal to minus 11 or d equal to plus 1. Okay, here also you will get two values, d equal to minus 11 and d equal to plus 1. Okay, therefore, two cases. First one, if a equal to 4 and d equal to 1, then the required numbers are, see here we have to consider the three numbers a minus d, a plus d. A minus d means 4 minus 1, a 4 plus 1, that is 4 minus 1 3, 4 5. Okay, similarly second case, if a equal to 4, d equal to minus 11. Okay, then the required numbers are a minus d. 4 minus of minus 11, 4 plus, 4 minus of minus 11, that is minus into minus plus, 11 plus 4, 15, 4 plus minus 11, that is minus 7. Therefore, the three numbers are 3, 4, 5 or 15, 4, minus 7. Next problem is, find the sum of 6 terms of the GP 1, 3, 9, so on. Sum means we have to find out Sn. 6 term is S6. First write down the given data. Given first term a equal to 1, r means second term by first term, 3 by 1 equal to 3, n equal to 6. Sum of 6 terms, therefore n equal to 6. See here, the value of r is greater than 1. R value is greater than 1. Therefore, we have to use the formula Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Yes, n equal to 6. S6 equal to 1 into r power n. 3 power 6 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. 3 power 6, that is 729 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. 729 minus 1 is 728 divided by 2. 728 by 2 is 364. Okay. Therefore, sum of 6 elements is 364. Next problem is, how many terms of the GP 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, so on will make the sum 63 by 64. How many terms means we have to find out the value of n. Okay. First write down the given data. First term a equal to 1 by 2, a equal to 1 by 2, r means second term by first term, 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into 2 by 1, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, r equal to 1 by 2, that is less than 1, and sum is 63 by 64. Therefore, Sn equal to 63 by 64. We have to find out the value of n. Okay. Now, write down the formula for Sn when r is less than 1. Okay, the formula is Sn equal to A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Now substitute all the values. Sn is 63 by 64 equal to A value is 1 by 2 into 1 minus r power n. R is 1 by 2 whole power n. Okay, divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 63 divided by 64 equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power m divided by LCM is 2. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 only. Okay, 1 by 2 gets cancelled. 63 by 64 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n. Okay, this term becomes positive. 1 by 2 whole power n equal to 1 minus 63 by 64. 1 by 2 whole power n. 64 is the LCM. 64 minus 63. 1 by 2 whole power n equal to 64 minus 63. 1 by 64. Okay, we have to express 1 by 64 as a power of 1 by 2. 64 means that is 2 power 6, right? Therefore, 1 by 2 whole power n can be written as 1 by 2 whole power 6. 1 power 6 is 1, 2 power 6 is 64. See here, bases are same. Therefore, powers are equal. Therefore, n equal to 6. Therefore, 6 terms are required to find the sum of 63 by 64. Next one, the first and last terms of the GP is 3 and 96 respectively. Sum to n terms is 189. Find the common ratio and number of terms. Okay, first write down the given data. First and last term. First term means A, last term means Tn. Okay, therefore first term A equal to 3 and last term means Tn equal to 96 and sum of n terms means Sn equal to 189. We have to find out the values of common ratio and number of terms means r equal to question mark, n equal to question mark. We have to find out the value of r and n. Okay, first by using the Tn formula. Okay, what is the formula for Tn? Tn equal to ar power n minus 1. This is the formula to find out the nth term of a GP. Okay, now Tn, that is 96 equal to 3 into r power n minus 1. Therefore, r power n minus 1 equal to 96 by 3. R power n minus 1 equal to 96 by 3 is 32. Therefore, r power n minus 1 equal to 32. Consider this as equation 1. We don't know the values of n and r. Again, consider the formula for Sn. Here, we have to consider any one in two formulas. Okay. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r equal to Sn. Sn equal to A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. It is the formula when r is less than 1. Either you can take the other one also. You will get the same answer. So here A value is 3 into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r equal to Sn. That is 189. Okay. 3 into 1 minus, see here r power n can also be written as r power n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, see r power 1 plus n minus 1. Okay, therefore r power n plus 1 into r power 1 into r power n minus 1. r power 1 into r power n minus 1. Theory of indices, a power m into a power n is a power n plus 1. Therefore, in place of r power n, write down r into r power n minus 1. r power n minus 1 divided by 1 minus r equal to 189. 3 into 1 minus r power n minus 1, that is 32. By using equation 1 divided by 1 minus r equal to 189. Okay. Now 1 minus r into 32, 32r divided by 1 minus r equal to 189 divided by 3. This 3 comes here. Okay. 189 by 3, that is 63. 1 minus 32r divided by 1 minus r equal to 63. Now cross multiplication, 1 minus 32r equal to 63 into 1 minus r. Okay. Therefore, 1 minus 32r equal to 63 into 1 minus r. 63 minus 63r. Write down r terms one side. Minus 63r becomes plus 63. 63r minus 32r equal to 63 plus 1 becomes minus 1. 63 minus 32, that is 31r equal to 63 minus 1, 62. r equal to 62 by 31. Therefore, r equal to 31 ones are 32, 31 twos are. r equal to 2. Okay. Now, equation 1 implies. See, what is the equation 1? Equation 1 is r power n minus 1 equal to 32. r power n minus 1 equal to 32. r is 2. 2 power n minus 1 equal to 32 can be written as 2 power 5. Okay. Since the bases are same, powers are equal. Therefore, n minus 1 equal to 5. n equal to 5 plus 1. n equal to 6. Okay. Therefore, common ratio equal to means r. Common ratio is 2 and number of terms equal to 6. Thank you, students.